How to install Python 3.13.7 on Windows 10. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. The only thing that I require of you is to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Now the first thing that you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome. Then go to the search and search for Python. Then it will land you here. So what you need to do is to click on this link. This is the official website, python.org. So click on this first link. So it will land you on their homepage. So this is the homepage. So at the top here you are going to see download. Click on it. Then it will land you here. So you are going to see download Python 3.13.7. Just click on it. Then it will automatically begin to download, as you can see at the top here. So it is just 27.5 MBs. So once the download has completed, just double click on the file to run it. Then I'm going to minimize Google Chrome. So this installer will pop up on your screen. So what you need to do is to come down here and check use admin privilege while installing. Then add python.exe to path. Then select that. Then you will come to custom installation. Click on that. Then ensure that you have checked pip. Pip is used to install Python packages, as you can see here. So ensure that it is checked. Then click on next. Then here you need to select install Python 3.13 for all users. Then for the remaining you will leave as they are. Then customize install location. Python is going to be installed in this location, program files. So once you've known that, you are going to click on install. So this will take a little bit longer, so just give it time for it to finish. Guys, once the setup has been successful, as you can see, setup was successful. So you need to click on close. Then we need to verify that this Python has been installed in the computer. So you'll go to the search and search for CMD. Then run as administrator. So this command prompt will pop up on your screen. So what you need to type here is Python space --version. Then press on enter. So as you can see, it has been installed here, Python 3.13.7. and that's really it, guys. That's how to install a Python 3.13.7 on Windows 10. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.